Integrating ValorPay with WooCommerce. Meet WooCommerce, an open-source e-commerce platform for online businesses that offers online store creation, multi-channel marketing, marketplace, inventory management, and many more. Picture this: payments, seamless and secure, perfectly integrated into your WooCommerce online store. All this and more is achievable with WooCommerce and ValorPay. Imagine this power at your fingertips. To get started, log into the Valor portal and have your app ID, EPI, and app key nearby. Click on Virtual Terminal on the navigation menu. Click the Manage button. Click API keys located in the tab section. Generate app ID, EPI, and app key required for the integration. Click Save. To install the ValorPay plugin, log in to your WooCommerce admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins on the left navigation bar and click on Add New. Search for ValorPay and click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, navigate to Installed Plugins. Find the ValorPay plugin here. Click on the Activate button. To configure the ValorPay plugin, go to the Plugin Settings by navigating to the ValorPay plugin and clicking on the Settings button. Fill in all the necessary details. Paste the earlier generated app ID, app key, and EPI. It's that easy. And click Save Changes. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured ValorPay with WooCommerce. Now you can easily accept online payments.